Today we shall see how we can earn up to 9% with Airtel Mobile Money Fixed Deposit Project. Welcome back to DevTech YouTube channel. If you are not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, please click on the subscription button, like this video. Now go to your phone and dial *185 *7 *9 #. Then select option 1, which is Super Saver. From Super Saver, you select option 5, which is Fixed Deposit, and that is what you are going to use to make up to 9% in Airtel Fixed Deposit Project, which is regulated by KCB Bank. Now from here, as you can see, you can select option 1, which is 3 months, and you earn 8%. Then option 2 is 6 months, and you're going to earn 8.5%. Then option 3 is 12 months, and you're going to earn 9% in what you're going to put in your fixed deposit account, from any amount up to the maximum amount, which is 5 million. Now, as we know that fixed deposit is always a fixed project, whereby if you select, for example, 3 months, then you must wait for the 3 months so that you can make your withdrawal. But with Airtel Fixed Deposit Project, you can terminate the project before the end of 6 months or 12 months or 3 months, any period that you've selected in your fixed deposit project. Guys, use this method on Airtel and earn without losing any money. Guys, that's what I wanted to show you in today's video. So if you are not yet subscribed, subscribe, because more interesting videos are coming in your way. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and also like this video. Share it. Let's make money together. We meet in the next coming video.